Okay, finally I'm here. It didn't take even actually 5 minutes. Now I'm near the entrance of the birds and animal market. If you see this side, it's the what you call, it's like a stock area, livestock. Yeah, so it's a livestock area. But now I'm entering the birds and animals market. Let's see the inside. Fish. Oh. See this guy.
Hi, Patrickness. Disgusted of life.
My God, in a cage.
Oh, disgusted. Disgusted. Oh my goodness me. Yo. Disgusted of life.
Come. See this, mom.
Sleeping on disgusted of life.
No, their head is covered.
Huh?
Their head is covered with this like a leather thing, like a helmet. Because it's not, they are not supposed to see outside. As they see outside, they will go. See, they are like not properly tied. They are not inside a cage.
Oh my god. Ah, yes, their face is closed.
Yeah.
They will go away.
Yeah. Mom. Come. There is a long area and don't go inside. Cat? And what is this? Hey, I know this bird.
Polar, really?
Polar, isn't it?
Oh, polar.
And again cat. Sea and birds.
Oh, they are creatures.
Once upon a time. But see, it's the same thing.
Yes.
It's all cat. See this guy. Hello there. Fed up with life? My God. Come. Oh, see this. It's bunnies. I'm hiding. Wait, where are you going? Bunnies and pigeons and then parrots. Like you went for a zoo. Why is only cat? Where are the dogs? See that? Bunnies. It's bunnies.
Oh, for the ticket,
Cat. Chicken. Fish. Mom. Dog. But I cannot go inside. Oh, animals, 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 animals. Of course, it's animal, but there are some areas restricted, like they say no pictures. So I don't want to get attracted with trouble. So back to the animal. Oh. Oh my God. Oh, it's finished. So, animal market, it's only the outside of this shop. Just to mention, outside of this shop, there will be like you can buy the cage, the fish tank, and the food. There's another side. I don't want to go that side because it's so messy and people are too much. They are crowded because the food, the cage, then again like kennels for the dogs. Lot of stuff you can buy from there. Just other side of this place, but I'm not going to go that side. I have another place to go, which is some other area. Stay with me and let me go out and get back with you guys.